What happens if you don't fix an exhaust leak in your Porsche Cayenne? The exhaust system is designed to accomplish the following tasks. Dispose the byproducts of the internal combustion process, dampen the engine noise, make the exhaust gases less harmful. A leaking exhaust can cause all sorts of problems in your Porsche Cayenne. So, if your Porsche Cayenne exhaust system starts leaking, get it repaired immediately. Here's what would happen if you don't fix an exhaust leak in your Porsche Cayenne. What happens if you drive with an exhaust leak? Poor engine performance. The pressure difference, delta P value, between the exhaust and intake system is detrimental to smooth engine operation. Having a leaking exhaust system can alter the delta P value. As a result of which, your Porsche Cayenne engine won't perform at its full pace. Bad gas mileage. Alteration in delta P value due to an exhaust leak would make the engine run rough. When the onboard computer finds out about the problem, it would make the fuel injection system spray more fuel into the cylinders. In the wake of this, you would notice a significant rise in fuel consumption. Puts your health at risk. The exhaust system is designed to get rid of the byproducts of the internal combustion process. However, if it's leaking, the toxic exhaust gases would get inside your Porsche Cayenne cabin. High concentration of exhaust gases within your car cabin can cause pulmonary diseases. Not good for the environment. The exhaust system is supposed to make the byproducts of the internal combustion process less hazardous. However, the leaking exhaust system won't be able to do that. And your Porsche Cayenne might fail an emission test. In conclusion, an exhaust leak in your Porsche is neither good for its performance nor good for your health. So, take it to the nearest car service center to diagnose and fix the problem.